Hello, my friends, and welcome back to the English Chat Room podcast. I'm Thomas, your host, and today we're going to practice English for one of the most common travel situations: travel by train and taking a train. When you travel by train, you need many useful phrases: buying a ticket, asking for directions, finding your seat, talking with passengers, ordering food, and finally, arriving at your station. I will guide you step by step. I'll speak slowly, and after each dialogue, you will have time to repeat after me. This method is called shadowing practice. It helps you copy natural English and become more confident when speaking. So, let's begin our train journey. 1. Excuse me, where can I buy a ticket? You can buy it at the ticket counter. Traveler, 1 ticket to London, please. Do you want a single or a return? A return ticket, please. Here you are. Platform 3. Thank you. Now, repeat after me slowly. Excuse me, where can I buy a ticket? 1 ticket to London, please. Do you want a single or a return? A return ticket, please. Platform 3.
Good job! These sentences are very common at railway stations.
Remember, single means one way, and return means two-way, going and coming back. 2. Asking for directions. Train. Excuse me, which platform is the train to Paris? It's platform number 5. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a safe journey. Now, let's practice together. Repeat slowly. Which platform is the train to Paris? It's platform number 5. Have a safe journey. Excellent. Notice how polite phrases like excuse me and thank you very much make the conversation friendly. 3. Boarding the train. Excuse me, is this the train to Manchester? Yes, this train goes to Manchester. Please get on quickly. Thank you very much. Your turn now. Repeat after me. Is this the train to Manchester? Please get on quickly. Sometimes trains stop only for a short time. That's why the staff says, please get on quickly.
On the train, finding a seat. Passenger 2, yes, please sit down. Passenger 1, thank you. Passenger 2, no problem. Now let's shadow the phrases together. Is this seat free? Please sit down. Thank you. No problem. If the seat is not free, you may also hear, sorry, this seat is taken. Small talk with another passenger. After you sit down, you may want to have a short conversation with the person next to you. This is called small talk. Here is a simple example. Passenger 1. Hello, are you traveling to Birmingham too? Passenger 2. Yes, I am. I'm visiting my family. Passenger 1. That's nice. I'm going there for work. Passenger 2. Oh, I see. How long will you stay? Passenger 1. Just 2 days. Passenger 2. Well, safe travels. Now repeat each line after me. Hello, are you traveling to Birmingham too? Yes, I am. I'm visiting my family. That's nice. I'm going there for work. How long will you stay? Just 2 days. Safe travels. Small talk is simple, friendly conversation with strangers. It makes the journey more pleasant. Sometimes you may even make a new friend, ordering food on the train. Some trains have a cafe or restaurant car. Others have a trolley that moves through the train with food and drinks. Here is a short conversation when buying food. Passenger, excuse me, do you sell snacks? Staff, yes we do. We have sandwiches, tea, and coffee. Passenger, 1 tea and a sandwich, please. Staff, here you go. That will be £5. Passenger, thank you. Staff, you're welcome. Repeat after me. Excuse me, do you sell snacks? We have sandwiches, tea, and coffee. 1 tea and a sandwich, please. That will be £5. Thank you. You're welcome. This is useful English not only on trains, but also in cafes, airports, and hotels. When the train is late, sometimes trains are not on time. This is an important situation for travelers. Passenger, excuse me, why is the train late? Staff, I'm sorry, the train is delayed by 20 minutes. Passenger, oh, thank you for the information. Staff, you're welcome. Now practice with me. Why is the train late? The train is delayed by 20 minutes. Thank you for the information. The word delayed means the train is late, but it will still come. If the train is canceled, it means it will not come at all. At the destination. When the train is close to your stop, you may hear an announcement. Announcement: the train will arrive at Oxford in 10 minutes. Passenger, excuse me, is this Oxford? Staff, yes, we are arriving now. The train will arrive at Oxford in 10 minutes. Excuse me, is this Oxford? Yes, we are arriving now. Thank you. These phrases are very useful when you are not sure if you have reached the correct station. Helpful travel phrases. Quick review. Before we finish, let's review and add some extra questions. Repeat each one slowly after me. Where is the ticket office? Which way to platform 2? How much is a return ticket? What time does the train leave? Excuse me, is this seat taken? Can I see the timetable, please? How long is the journey? Excuse me, when will we arrive? Now, some more examples of small talks with passengers. Small talk. Example 1. Weather. Passenger 1. It's a beautiful day today, isn't it? Passenger 2. Yes, very sunny. Perfect for traveling. Passenger 1. Do you prefer sunny days or rainy days? Passenger 2. Sunny days, of course. Repeat after me slowly. It's a beautiful day today, isn't it? Yes, very sunny. Perfect for traveling. Do you prefer sunny days or rainy days? Sunny days, of course. Small talk. Example 2. The view. Passenger 1. Wow, the countryside looks so beautiful. Passenger 2. Yes, I love the green fields and the hills. Passenger 1. Do you travel this route often? Passenger 2. Yes, I take this train every week. Shadow with me. Wow, the countryside looks so beautiful. Yes, I love the green fields and the hills. Do you travel this route often? Yes, I take this train every week. Small talk. Example 3. Work and study. Passenger 1. Are you traveling for work or for holiday? Passenger 2. For work. I have a meeting in London. Passenger 1. Oh, I see. I'm a student. I'm going back to university. Passenger 2. That's nice. What are you studying? Passenger 1. I'm studying computer science. Repeat after me. Are you traveling for work or for holiday? For work. I have a meeting in London. Oh, I see. I'm a student. I'm going back to university. That's nice. What are you studying? I'm studying computer science. Small talk. Example 4. The train ride. Passenger 1. Is this your first time on this train? Passenger 2. Yes, it is. I'm a little nervous. Passenger 1. Don't worry. It's a comfortable ride. Passenger 2. Thank you. That makes me feel better. Practice with me. Is this your first time on this train? Yes, it is. I'm a little nervous. Don't worry. It's a comfortable ride. Thank you. That makes me feel better. Small talk. Example 5. Future plans. Passenger 1. How long will you stay in Manchester? Passenger 2, just 3 days. I have a conference. Passenger 1, oh, I'll be there for a week. I'm visiting friends. Passenger 2, that sounds wonderful. Repeat after me. How long will you stay in Manchester? Just 3 days. I have a conference. Oh, I'll be there for a week. I'm visiting friends. That sounds wonderful. Small talk. Example 6. Travel tips. Passenger 1. Excuse me, do you know if this train has Wi-Fi? Passenger 2. Yes, it does. You need to log in with your ticket number. Passenger 1. Great, thank you for the tip. Passenger 2. No problem, happy to help. Shadow these sentences. Excuse me, do you know if this train has Wi-Fi? Yes, it does. You need to log in with your ticket number. Great, thank you for the tip. No problem, happy to help. Why small talk is useful. Small talk helps you practice English with real people. Feel less nervous when traveling. Pass the time on a long journey. Learn about new places and experiences. Remember, small talk is short and simple. Just be friendly, smile, and use polite words. Shadowing practice. Quick review. Now, let's review some of today's phrases together. I will say them slowly. You repeat after me. Is this seat free? Safe travels? Do you sell snacks? Wow, the countryside looks so beautiful. Are you traveling for work or for holiday? Is this your first time on this train? Excuse me, do you know if this train has Wi-Fi? Well done! Excellent job today, my friends. You practiced many useful English phrases for train travel, not only for tickets and seats, but also for making friendly small talk. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural and confident your English will become. So next time you are on a train, try one of these phrases. You might start a nice conversation or even make a new friend. Thank you for joining me on the English Chat Room podcast. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Goodbye and safe travel.